Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today we've got a VA WRX and I'm going to show you how to install our new side splitters onto the car. Let's go. Before we get started, I just want to show you a little bit of the new things that we've done on this new kit. First of all, it now comes in a nice gloss black. It also comes in a scratch resistant textured black, which is the same texture as the winglets, which you can add on at a later time if you wanted to. All our hardware is also in black and in stainless steel, so there's no more rusting. So with that out the way, let's get installing. So for this installation, you do need to take off the side skirt, which is crazy easy. It's 7 clips, so all you need is a pry tool, and then you open the doors and it pulls, it just comes straight off. So let's get that started. Okay, so I've got all the clips off. Now from memory, I'm pretty sure you can get this off without even opening the door. Yeah, it's easy. There you go. Now that I've got the side skirt off the car, first thing you're going to do is place it on its back. And I'm going to show you the reference points. So when you align it to the car, what you want to do is get this corner there to line up with that corner there and then clamp it down. You also notice that the splitter is shaped the same way as that side skirt there. So you're going to line up these straight lines with the straight lines on the back of the splitter. The last reference point is here. You see that little ridge and where it ends? That point there will line up exactly with that point there. And I'll show you how they do that. Okay, so put it on. I've got a clamp, so I'm going to line up there. Clamp that down, and I go the other end and do the same. Just gotta line up the top of that. There. Clamp it down, and then if we go to the middle, it should all line up. So all these straight edges line up pretty much perfectly. Now that I've aligned the splitter, all I need to do is drill 8mm holes where these holes are. Now, I think the start with and the end of the clamps are fine. Once you get to the middle, because there is a little bit of flex in there, just check just to make sure the alignment hasn't moved before you drill all the way to the end. One last thing, when you're drilling, don't go too hard because the last thing you want to do is go through the splitter, through the side skirt and out the other side. So just sort of control your drilling. All that's left to do now is grab your nut, bolt and washer combo. So just put your washer on, pass it through, washer and the nut and tighten it down all the way through to the end. What you'll need is a 4mm Allen bit and a 10mm spanner and you're almost done. So I've got all my nut and bolt combos all lined up. Before you tighten them, just make sure it still lines up because the hole is going to be bigger than the bolt. So line up and then tighten every time. I've got all the bolts all tightened up now. So all I gotta do is put this back on the car, which again is really easy. Just slip this under the door, line up all your holes, and it should just all pop back into place. Last thing we're going to do is put these clips back in. Once we've done that, we'll put on the winglets. Now for the winglets, now these are optional, you can buy it with or without. So the way they work is there's 3 slotted holes here which line up to like a brass thread underneath. So all you gotta do is get your nut and washer combo, find the thread, line it up, and then you can get it on the car. Once it's on there, you can choose your desired position before tightening it down with the Allen key. There you have it. Side skirts fitted to the VA WRX, which is the same as the STI. Got the optional winglets on. Now don't be scared of removing the side skirt. It is a really easy job. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.
it.